Hey, it's Kristen. Welcome to Brewed and Booze Food. St. Supery is kicking off their summer virtual series with the Injoy at-home Thrill of the Grill. This week's recipe is a grilled skewered shrimp. Follow along and I'll show you what I did. For our shrimp skewers, I have 10 large or jumbo shrimp. The recipe calls for head-on shrimp. I didn't really feel like messing with it today, so I went ahead and just got the headless shrimp with the shells still on. I also went ahead and deveined my shrimp. Make sure to use a very sharp knife when you do this. Also be extremely careful. Deveining shrimp with the shells on is a little bit tougher, so just take your time and again, use a sharp knife. For the marinade for the shrimp, we are going to use a half a cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, the zest of 1 lemon, one clove of garlic sliced, and now for our herbs. I have a tablespoon of fresh dill, a tablespoon of fresh parsley, and a tablespoon of fresh chives. These all came from my garden. Go ahead and mix this up. Now you're going to place this bowl in your fridge for about 3 hours to marinate, and then I'll show you how we put them on the skewers. We let our shrimp marinate for about 3 hours. Now we are going to skewer them. You're going to take your shrimp, start at the tail, and skewer them all the way through. There you go. We're gonna do this with our 10 shrimp and put them on the grill. You're gonna grill them for about 2 minutes on each side until they become pink and firm. This shrimp dish was so easy to make and turned out delicious. Serve it as an appetizer or pair with your favorite sides for a light summer meal. For this recipe and more, head to stsupery.com. To find out what the Brewed and Booze Food ladies are up to, head to their website, brewedandboozefood.com. Don't forget to like and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'll cook with you soon.